What if a machine could do your job faster, cheaper, maybe even better? It already can, in some cases. So what does that mean for you? The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. And it's not just tech jobs. It's quietly entering almost every profession, helping, reshaping, and sometimes replacing work. So what is artificial intelligence really? It's technology that learns patterns from data and uses them to make decisions or predictions without being told every step. From chatbots to self-driving systems, it's already part of everyday life. And in the workplace, AI handles tasks where patterns exist, recognizing images, understanding language, analyzing data, predicting trends, automating repetitive work, which means jobs built on routine, predictability, and repetition are the most exposed.
But here's the important shift. For most people, AI isn't replacing work. It's changing how work gets done. People who use AI can work faster, smarter, and at a much larger scale. Think of AI as your multiplier. A lawyer reviewing thousands of documents in minutes. Doctors diagnosing faster and spending more time with patients. Creators focusing on storytelling, while AI supports ideas. Across industries, AI enhances productivity, automates routine tasks, and unlocks smarter insights. It doesn't replace your skills. It multiplies them. But here's the flip side. As productivity rises, expectations rise too. In a world where machines get smarter, being more human becomes your greatest advantage. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, communication. These are the skills that stand out. So, will AI take your job? By 2030, a significant portion of work could be automated. But this isn't new. When the internet arrived, it didn't just replace jobs, it created entirely new ones. AI is following the same path. Some roles will shrink, others will evolve. New ones will emerge. AI engineers, data scientists, prompt engineers, ethics specialists, robotics experts, and many roles we haven't even imagined yet. This isn't the end of jobs. It's a transformation. The real question is how you respond to it. Ignoring AI today is like ignoring the internet in the 1990s. The world will move forward, with or without you. To stay relevant, keep learning. Build strong human skills. Stay adaptable. And develop deep expertise. These are your advantages in an AI-powered world.
The transition won't be equal for everyone. Those without access to skills or training may struggle to keep up. And AI isn't perfect. Bias and errors still exist. Human judgment still matters. So here's the truth. AI won't take your job, but someone using AI might. This isn't a battle between humans and machines. It's a partnership. We're moving from manpower to mind power. The choice is simple. Resist the change or adapt, learn, and grow. Because the people who do won't just survive this shift, they'll lead it.